Abusia, unya video ya former MPP delegate. Eya na nkrofo MPP. Party ni gu. MPP for you to ene ye nyina no. Dodo no omuni akoma. Akwa di NDC fo achi. Anasa omonto oba no. Ni nyina gina papa we Canada Japan so. Ensema okagu party ni so. Ensema ogu party no fi. Entro twate ye youth no. Se MPP mpanifo disika. Na mom Canada Japan. Na se wono oko contract wo ma na yire. Oko contract wo ma India for. Ene de on kan kire. Owia no a pretend say Kufuado ene egu party na. Owia no asaba gba Kufuado baso. Owia no aboba omia baso. Enti ensem boni a kan Japan kafa MPP amanyuko ho. Anu na ama ne youth na koma MPP for de hia koma efiri mu a ene yedidi de ekoso ne chi ama ne MPP yekoto aba ne yelusu no. Ensem boni a kan Japan ka kire ya youth ni bi. Ese ye nsori ntia MPP amanyuko. Ena ama ne uba social media so you to be say support kan Japan na emom support MPP you to be say support ba omia na emom support ba omia ye candidate Fabry ye no as MPP onu ye ni no kan Japan ye ni no enso nsem boni papa wo ya kan gu party no na mbasa me sorry sambre mu ekopem 2026 eye January election be ye emeka Japan hu samimi ye youth enu ma boni any atwen boni any party ni position de to ye appointment oje ya mimi bita na on kan kro no beku party no fi na otimi ka kire Ghana fo nyina se MPP fo disika se de okine ni ho omu hwia Ghana se de okine ho ebu Ghana fo abam ama Ghana fo anto aba no we delegate ato abatia no Canada Japan o ka kire wo MPP ni se delegate ni se wo delegate no onim se wo ya boa na party a wo ma ye friend MPP no say emwa ene wo party no eno na make wo delegate say koto abate Kenya Japan the Kenya Japan entime di MPP anim wo abra me abrantie we e call me say MPP member da say wo ye MPP leader na wo di Kenya Japan chi na wo se Canada Japan me di party anim a wa adwene wo form so wo ye MPP wo position bi to say minister MP regional chairman and as a youth organizer any position our MPP now the Kenya Japan cha wadwene isa me akwaketo me nyatumi aka to say wadwene wo form cause no ma Kenya Japan dey MPP party na ama party na ni monyuma to form mo antimi anya akokoduro say dem akokoduro anka kire no na mo say di na chidi ya ene MPP mu ni yeni aim edu time say showdown Kenya Japan ka kire Kufuor say obama Kufuor showdown me the friend Sabato mama Kenya Japan showdown do time Kenya Japan ka kire ye Ghana for say onku ni pada me kana asem ni ma hwese ampa onku ni pada yes on nwene boni ntia me a do time say check Kenya Japan say oso e be ma na ni edin a wono e kasama MPP ye kasama MPP me hwese obeka na no otum say obagene fonso atomu a enti MPP delegate monto obente Kenya Japan the Kenya Japan you be o selfish leader e di entem so selfish leader o se akonya bi da ho ema MPP Dr. Bawumia election no Bawumia Ghana fo nyina anim no Ghana ni bia nim sa ba ye koto yi Nana Addo pokumensa ontimi face Bawumia Haruna Addo ya de ba ontimi face Bawumia obelusu ye friend say ye NDC papa ye friend say Julius Debra ye de ni begina wa Julius Debra ntimi wi election Bawumia ho eno ana Kenya Japan atwen bone ni baye aye ne se de or say kura tongum na ho afọ na opes will destroy the name of Bawumia we as guy say adwuma Bawumia ye Bawumia nyansa onim de bi ye de Ghana hye ne sa Ghana Bawumia betima ye Ghana yi saa de no ne ye check Kenya Japan say abato enye ba bi obi free ene de to oba saa ne tribalism political politics na oyana politics na oyana Bawumia ye say na yiri free ya enye no na emom ye chance Bawumia yire ko a wakoma MPP adwuma ya ma MPP Kenya Japan yire me so ye bi enti ye mu youth no ye ka no kra chance contract a wajew ne yira gena Kenya Japan wan fa youth bi adwuma da o MPP ma many years MPP youth do say na Kenya Japan contract mu san so ka chance MPP am contract o the youth ne ye o mna bonten ene sa dia me mama ni showdown me man showdown enti mo bia nkwaje Kenya Japan sika ni no me dran kan kire say ono Kenya pon ba ma youth delegate mo money now mo to abenche Kenya pon se Kenya pon se o usu be mpam na epiepia no ese o mo support na me na be di president e wan pipi mu dia edu time ese check Kenya pon se de o usu be mpa so de TMPP be so de tia edu time o usu be mpa o yo so fo asa na meka edu time e check Kenya pon se de o ma lanche matin frame pipi mu ye beto ba tia no o sa ala frame pipi mu ala ko tini party no anko ba bia ala wanduru ba bia sabi de Kenya pon ma hosia do ye mu nyina frame pipi mu sa ne de be Kenya pon atwen bone ni peye aye ne se de ekurato ngum atwen bone ni peye e kan peye na obi amu so obi to na wiem wa adwene otirim adwene wano kasa chese wo beifo chese wo mpa de pa MPP de fam nyina Kenya pon se Kenya pon ne ba omi amepra enka MPP ke ni problem Kenya pon de adwene mu kan de adwene mu tie ene be pre bia ke ni problem ensem o kan ni ensem fon ene anyam brasem o kan no ene wo showdown na me de be ban no enti afiwe the program ne me dwumadi matini din showdown up to January the MPP ni bia also pen kabo mu no me pa cha for Jimmy Tra party office ne pen kabo na me party office mente obi moto ena party office na moto no mo pen kabo mu ena Kenya pon din kwasiasem ena mo hwe no edu time ye yutu ye be feyese ade en satene so hu se kwasiasem odi ati MPP ne NDC for their farm e de win election NDC for their farm e de amagana no omo ye de omo pe no Kenya pon ade na NDC be ye nche no ye chi wontumi mumsa no adwen bone no ko wo wontumi asem ye che no Kenya pon ase na NDC for bo wo kumsi no no de ye mo no adwen bone no ho NDC for no no musere wicked man wo share video man na mo che se ye mu binu yo social media Kenya pon oni YouTube ni ye video zoom omo mra na me mo dua oso ye be ma omra na bo dua oni YouTube ni ye zooming no wo destroy MPP chere YouTube mumusa nsa me boa mumusa na sa me boa oni ye beto obayi because say o takufu ado o taba womia oni YouTube ni ye zooming ewo online na o say MPP mpanifo chere MPP for atwen bone Kenya pon so timu se wa odi agroso mesa bone dua so no oni bone odi agwa mese me de be kyen because Kenya pon ese dwena no no sensen fu no de sikedi no emfes ke nisa o ti MPP munya contract o wia na no mo sere o wia no ya wo se de say Judas ena wo ye Judas ye mu binu adwuma ye de ma MPP no o social media so ma hu so fa so no wo a wo din sen fu bi ye be ba so e period share video man shout out to abronye adwuma no na wo ye no ye no ba be ye abronye
bedroom show on Adom FM very early in the morning before I go to work. And this is 2018. He came to sit there and mention that he brought in an Indian company that is ready to do the Ghana card for the people of Ghana. And at the time, I don't want to lie, he quoted like $10 or $6 or $3 or so. But Atefwa brought in some people who will be charging, I think, 15 or something. Do you understand? To the ordinary Ghanaians, we do not know per card what the government of Ghana is giving to the one who will take the contract. We don't know. But because he went there to lobby and did not get that particular contract, Atefua became his enemy. And I will clearly tell you, he came on TV. You see, you need to be very analytical to understand what I'm saying. But if you are so boxed in and you think that when somebody speaks about something makes the person a very truthful person, then that is where you get it wrong. He came out to sit on TV to tell Ghana that Atefua is overcharging us because he is bringing people from India to do Ghana card for us for so and so amount. But Atefua wants to give it to a company on an expensive, do you understand? So essentially he created an impression that Atefua wants to cheat Ghanaians when he wants to save us. But the truth of the matter is that he wants the contract. And one thing all of us should understand is that when you are going into election, you spend a lot of money. And how these politicians get their monies back is through contracts. And whether they are open about it or not, there are certain quotas or percentages that goes back to the one who gives the contract. So for example, if you are going to buy the food for 15 cedis, sometimes you can engage the seller that, okay, the cost price should be 20 so that I can have 5 CD for my rounds. It is done. So these are some of the ways people have their contract. So if Kennedy wants to be given the contracts, every contract must go through you or must go for you. If you dare say, no, we don't want to give it to you, he will come and expose the terms of it. And to the ordinary youth, oh, he has come to expose the government. But the truth of the matter is because he did not get the contract. That is why he wants to create an impression that somebody is cheating you. So I am the right person. Imagine I giving it to you for 3 cedi and you want to go and buy it for 15. He's a thief. He is this. So he plays this card, and most people, hey, can you imagine? Kennedy wanted to sell this for Ghana at 3 cedi, and Atefo want to go and sell it for 15. You see, so sometimes these are some of the things he does, and I think really affected the NPP. Whether they agree or they don't agree, this is my assessment. And like I said, I used to watch a lot of his interviews, and he's one of the regular panelists on Bedroom before he stopped granting interviews.
So wasn't he being so selfish?
It depends on how you want to talk about it. So for me, I will rather leave that one to you to decide how you want to describe him. Is up to you. But based on these scenarios, I would say that he is not directly being